Tonight we're going to be making a Nuka-Cola variant called Nuka-Cherry. So what I've got in the pot here is 1.5 cups of water, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of pitted cherries cut in half. So what we want to do is place this over medium-high heat, whisk until all the sugar is dissolved and bring to a boil. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. Strain the syrup into an airtight container, and once cooled, store in the refrigerator for at least 12 hours and up to 2 weeks. And by the way, don't throw those leftover cherries away. That's good stuff. Simmering in all that sugar water, it's basically cherry jam. Use them on a peanut butter sandwich, or top some ice cream with them. So to make a glass of Nuka-Cherry, what we're going to need is 1 cup of seltzer water, 5 tablespoons Nuka-Cherry syrup, and 4 tablespoons of Nuka-Cola syrup. Mix all that together and stir it up. With both syrups combined, this is super sweet. I was afraid I wouldn't be able to taste the cherry over the original Nuka syrup, but there is a nice natural cherry flavor coming through. Would definitely use less syrup next time. The suggested amount is way too sweet.